Hey everyone, hey, it's Zach again. Sorry we didn't give you a shop update yesterday. We had some stuff going on early in the morning. We had to run some customers out to go get rental cars and to hotels and stuff like that. So we got a lot of work going on in the shop. But let's go check in with the shop right now and let's go see what they got going on. All right, Homer, so what do you got going on today?
I'm working on getting all this POR 15 off here. The guy took care of the frame, did a real good job, but we had to clean it all off so I can get these replacement parts that I cut out fabbed on and tacked on. We got the inside of the passenger frame rail done. I still got to tie in the bottom of the frame with some 1/2 inch by 2, and then I got the plates right now that are Rob's cutting, working on. I'm gonna start tacking those ones up on the driver's side and get everything tacked up and make sure everything's all clean and start getting ready to weld it out.
All right, Tom, what are you doing?
Well, basically right this minute I'm helping Homer bust this out, what you just heard him say. Then after that, I'm gonna come over here and start doing the wiring and plumbing in this Ford F-250. Get that ready for the customer, so.
All right, cool. Let's go check in on Rob and see what Rob's up to. He looks busy. All right, Rob, didn't want to interrupt you. What do you got going on today?
Cutting and making our plates for our frame reinforcement so that we can start getting our wheel lift under there today.
Right on. All right, cool. Tara, what do you got going on today? She just wants to eat GoPro. Good girl, Tara. All right. Well, cool. So we got a lot of stuff going on in the shop today. We're gonna get this Ford out of here, and then get busting on this Big Chief that we got going into this Denali here. So looking forward to getting it done and getting you guys some more footage of that.